Good morning. My name is Mohammad Ershadi, CEO and founder of Clean Label Solution, located in Ithaca, the heart of the New York region. I'm honored to present our innovative, proprietary, and sustainable technology aimed at improving the digestibility of soy-based feed to enhance productivity of dairy cattle while reducing greenhouse gas emission. I have a genuine passion for soybean. It's a magical seed with immense potential to feed the world. In the following, I will reveal Clean Label Solutions discovery within soybean feed. By 2015, the population of Earth reached to 9 billion people. It means we need 73% more meat and 60% more dairy product. But every hour, we spend $16 million to solve the climate change issues annually, $143 billion. What does it mean? In order to increase our productivity, we're not allowed to increase the greenhouse gas emission. We have to be smart and wise to push and develop those technologies to increase our productivity while reduce our costs. In Clean Label Solution, our mission is to untap potential of soy-based animal feed while reducing production costs and greenhouse gas emission. Soybean is one of the most expensive components of the dairy cattle ration. Every second, 13% of its protein and fat will be lost as a manure because it's not digestible by cow or it go through the traditional process. It means we need more land, water, energy, and release more emission to feed our animal. On the other hand, soybean oil is toxic to the ruminants bacteria. The company goes through the complicated and complex process to extract the oil of soybean. It, again, releases a lot of emission, spend a lot of time and energy. As an alternative, the dairy farms use palm oil, the imported source of the palm oil, to feed the cow to provide the energy. The United States has zero capacity to produce palm oil. It put the United States geopolitically at the risk of the supply chain. Again, palm oil go through the complicated process to feed to the cow, and also it's one of the main causes of deforestation. In Clean Label Solution, we use local soybean without palm oil or processed oil through the single-step proprietary green and sustainable technology. Through our process, 20% CO2 emission and energy will be reduced by 40% in comparison to the commodity product in the market. We deliver more digestible protein. The soybean oil is not toxic anymore to the cow, and also help the cow, the microbial population increase. These are not three separate products. It's a one single product, Bypass Pro Plus. When the cow been fed with Bypass Pro Plus, not even the good microbial population inside the rumen increase, that help the cow, the methane emission reduced by 6%, the more protein and fat at the same time delivered to the cow, and palm oil removed from the ration of the cow. In this slide, we compare 99% of the soy-based product in the market that cover the dairy product in the market. When the dairy farm use our product, they don't use palm oil anymore. It removed from their ration. But the other product, when the dairy farm use the other product, they have to buy or add palm oil to the ration. We would be able to produce non-GMO version of our product because we go through the 100% natural process. We reduce the cost of the dairy farm significantly because we remove the important source of the fat from the ration. We deliver more value at each load to the farmer. And this is the only product that provides both protein and fat to the dairy cattle at the same time. Because we solve one of the most challenging problems in the soy feed market, we will have access to the huge market with more than 600 milking cows, 600,000 cows in New York, 9 million in the US, and 270 million in the United States, globally. Because through our process, we reduce CO2 emission by 20%. We will be able to get credit from the tax credit for the CO2 emission reduction through our process. For methane emission, with access to 10% of dairy cattle in New York State, we reduce 2 million liter methane annually. We are the beginning in the New York region. Till today, in just less than 12 months, we sold 4,000 tons of Bypass Pro Plus. We've been working with Cornell. The Department of Animal Science is one of the most prestigious departments in the world. It helps us to optimize, localize, and branding our product fastest at other branded. We've been partnered with one of the large soy producers in New York region, Mayberry Farm. We generate 6 direct and indirect jobs in New York region. Besides the technology that's been developed, in order to execute the technology and to be able to reduce our costs and emission, I have to be able to design and build a new machinery because it wasn't in the market. And at that time, I didn't have any money. I reached out to the farmers, buy the used stuff, fix it, and set up my production line. Our production line is not the same as any other company in the US, at least, based on my understanding. And in this journey, there's a lot of nice people help me. More than 4 million times bypass Propolis been tested by the cows in New York region. 100% of the customer report to us their costs significantly reduced. They remove palm oil from the ration. Their milk and milk fat production increased. I mean, more milk per cow, less emission, less water, less land. And in every step of our technology, we committed to our mission: increase productivity, reduce cost, and emission. Because we develop transformation, every sector of the dairy industry get benefit from our technology. If you make $1, the other sector, the whole, make $9.5. We buy local soybean, process it at lower cost. More value delivered to dairy farm produce more milk at lower cost. The high quality milk delivered to the milking company make more dairy byproduct per each load that been delivered to their place. The farm with 200 cows save $36,000 per year. In our first year of operation, we sold close to $2 million of bypass Propolis. We are planning to expand the market to $25 million by the end of 2026. In order to reach that goal, we have to be working to build a strong business plan, scaling strategy, and sustainable infrastructure. We are working with Mayberry Farm to build a new facility at Waterloo with the railroad access and truck company to be able to deliver our product to other regions of New York. We also have a potential customer in Canada and the other state. And we also been signed 2 more NDA with 2 companies to expand our market to the other locations. In order to build such great quality product and strong and sustainable infrastructure, you need to have high quality people, trained and educated people. These people has more than 120 years experience just in New York region. In order to develop business, our advisory board is stronger as our core team help us to make connection between the industry and the university. By investing $1 million, we also been able to enter to the beef, aquaculture, and poultry market because we already developed product for these market as well. We also been able to produce non-GMO version of each product because technology is 100% natural. By investing $1 million, we would generate 16 direct jobs and 13 indirect jobs. We also been able to expand our market to the aquaculture, poultry, and livestock. And the dairy market will be covered by 25% of the New York. And we already started the methane emission projection, and we would be able to reduce our greenhouse emission further. We already started to make a New York region a new center for soy feed innovation. We develop the product that we have right now producing. There is no such similar product, not in the US or in the world. All the company mentioned the soybean oil is toxic, extracted, and they spend a lot of time and energy and release a lot of emission through that process. By investing in company clean label solution, we will be able to generate more than 30 direct and indirect jobs with access to 25% of the livestock of the New York state and produce beef, aquaculture, and poultry of soy-based animal feed. And just want to give you one example, plant-based product of fish meal of clean label solution, the performance looks like the same as a fish meal in the market. And we also have fish farm that would like to use our product. Thank you so much.
Great job.